For over 100 years, the 9-to-5 job was the dream. Wake up, commute, work, get paid, repeat. It built the middle class. It built cities. It built modern life. But something has changed. Quietly, gradually, and now, permanently. The 9-to-5 job is dying. And most people don't even see it. The illusion of stability. There was a time when one job could support a family. You worked 30 years. You got promoted. You retired safely. But today, layoffs happen overnight. Companies automate roles. Artificial intelligence replaces tasks in seconds. Loyalty is no longer rewarded. Stability was never permanent. It just felt that way. And now the illusion is breaking. The automation shift. AI can write emails, design graphics, analyze data, even answer customer service calls. One tool can now replace entire departments, and companies care about one thing: efficiency. If software can do the work faster, cheaper, and without complaints, why hire full-time employees? This isn't fear, it's economics, and economics always wins. The rise of the independent economy. While traditional jobs weaken, a new system is rising. Freelancers, creators, consultants, digital product builders, remote specialists. Millions of people are building income streams online, not salaries, income streams. The difference? A salary depends on one company. An income stream depends on value you control, and control is power. Why most people will struggle. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people are still preparing for a world that no longer exists. They're studying for stable jobs, training for fixed roles, competing for shrinking opportunities. Meanwhile, the internet rewards speed, skills, adaptability. The winners won't be the most educated, they'll be the most flexible. What replaces 9-to-5? The future is not unemployment. The future is ownership. Ownership of skills, audience, digital assets, distribution. Instead of one employer, you'll have multiple income sources. Instead of waiting for promotion, you'll create leverage. Instead of job security, you'll build skills security. That is the shift. The 9-to-5 job is not disappearing overnight, but it is losing its power. The question is not, will jobs disappear? The real question is, will you adapt before they do? Because in the next decade, the safest path won't be employment, it will be independence. And those who understand this early won't just survive, they'll dominate. This is Income Explained, where we break down how money is really made, how power really shifts, and how you can position yourself before everyone else catches up. Subscribe if you're building for the future, because the future doesn't wait.